This is Force for Life 2, and we're doing research on invasive plants. The reason we're doing this research is for a website called Lunder that we have to do in school, and the base of this website is to find a problem in our community and figure out how to solve it.
One reason why invasive plants spread are because birds eat the seeds and drop them in foreign areas, and then they will regrow.
Invasive plants are a problem because they threaten other native plants and animals that have lived there in the first place. Usually, invasive plants aren't eaten by any native animals that are there, and really the only way to get rid of them is by mostly human help. Invasive plants can crowd areas for other plants that they need, and will take over a lot of land for the native plants, killing off their resources and sometimes even connection to water. If you ever see an invasive plant around your house, always cut it down and try to eliminate any traces of seeds or dead plant that still may be around. Also, if you ever go to a nursery, never try to get invasive plants, and if one that you think could be invasive, don't get it. And always look for an alternative like a native plant if you see something that looks good and you want to get it.
If you have an invasive plant, don't dispose of it in the woods. And if you have an invasive plant, you can bring it to a local nursery and have them check on it. And when you're there, you can buy a native plant.
If you have invasive plants in your community, one way to help is by removing them from your yard or property, and by also putting up flyers and posting things on social media about how they look and how to remove them.